Hey everyone, we have some brake calipers finished up today for this customer. He sent in some Lancer Evolution front and rear Brembo calipers. They have been refinished in Illusion Violet powder coat. We got brand new bleeder valves and we did a full rebuild on these. So these got new dust boots, internal piston seals, and crossover tube seals. So yeah, these are ready to install on the car. We also include decals to complete the original finished appearance with the factory logos on there. Not shown in the video here, but decals are provided for you to reapply. So if you guys have some calipers that are in need of refinishing or just rebuilding, check us out at VisionAutoworks.com. Reach out to us via our contact form or contact information on the website, and we'll get back to you with a quote and get something done like these.